Hello everyone, welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a chat from the chat lock on WhatsApp. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I work hard and spend a lot of time to create them for you. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone and go to the Chats tab. You will see a folder called Locked Chats at the top of your chat list. This is where all your locked chats are stored. Step 2. Tap on the Locked Chats folder and authenticate yourself with your fingerprint or Face ID. You will see a list of all the chats that you have locked with ChatLock. Step 3. Find the chat that you want to remove from the chat lock and long press on it. A menu will appear at the top of the screen. Tap on the three dots icon and select Unlock Chat. Step 4. Confirm your action by tapping on Unlock in the pop-up window. You will see a message saying Chat Unlocked and the chat will disappear from the Locked Chats folder. Step 5. Go back to your chat list and scroll down to find the chat that you just unlocked. You can now open it normally and view or send messages without any authentication. You can also save any media from that chat to your phone's gallery if you want. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.